Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when your iPhone's stuck in sleep mode. Just like computers, Apple's iPhone also embeds sleep mode, which is called sleep focus. It silences calls, texts and notifications to make sure that users can get uninterrupted sleep. You can just swipe down the control center and tap the bed icon to turn on sleep mode. Turning off sleep focus is also a breeze by tapping the bed icon again. Though, sometimes you will find the iPhone stuck in sleep focus and won't leave that mode. What's the reason behind that? How to fix an iPhone stuck in sleep mode? Now, keep watching the contents below. Why is your iPhone stuck in sleep mode? There are a lot of potential causes and here we'll list some common ones. 1. The iOS software bugs or laggy system. 2. iOS settings conflicts. 3. Outdated operating software version. 4. Damage to the display's logic board. Thankfully, you can get your device booting and running again on your own. So here's how to fix an iPhone that is stuck in sleep mode. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods step by step. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Turn off sleep focus in the Health app. If your iPhone stays in sleep focus and gets stuck after turning it off in the control center, it's possible that the settings in the Health app activate the feature again. That way, it seems that your iPhone gets stuck in sleep mode but it's not. To troubleshoot this issue, disable the sleep mode in the Health app. Open the Health app. From the bottom, tap the Browse tab. Select Sleep. Scroll down to locate the Your Schedule section. Tap Full Schedule and Options. Tap the Use Schedule for Sleep Focus icon to disable it. Hope you now wake up your iPhone from sleep mode. Force your iPhone to restart. Maybe you do turn off the sleep mode but the system is laggy and it doesn't make actions to your command in time. If you find iPhone stuck in sleep mode lock screen, try to force your iPhone to restart and see if that helps. All your data will keep safe and sound as it just powers off your device and then power it back on. Now, follow the steps that are compatible with your own iPhone model. For an iPhone 8, iPhone 10, or later iPhone models, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. For an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the volume down button and side button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. For an iPhone 6s or older iPhone models, press and hold both the home button and the sleep or wake button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. Now, see if it gets your iPhone out of the stuck sleep mode. If not, keep moving to the next solution. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS version. Has it been a long time since you did an update on your iPhone? If so, the old iOS software might be the reason why sleep focus won't go away on the iPhone. The quickest solution is to upgrade the iOS software right on the Settings app. Here are the detailed steps. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose Software Update. Your iPhone will start checking if there's an update available. If there is, it'll prompt you to download and install an update to upgrade the iOS system. Just press the Download and Install option. Finish the on-screen instructions to trigger the update process to start. Once done, see if sleep mode is turned off on your iPhone after the update. Reset all settings. Conflicts in operating system settings are common and often render software issues. When your iPhone is stuck in sleep mode, such conflicts may exist on the device due to the system cache or other factors. To resolve them and turn off iPhone stuck sleep mode, one go-to method is to reset all settings. Here are the detailed steps. Open the Settings app. Find and tap General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap the Reset option. Now, select the option named Reset All Settings. When asked, enter your passcode. Tap Reset All Settings again to confirm. The process may take a few seconds. After that, your iPhone should no longer be stuck in sleep focus and go back to the normal status. Erase all the content and settings. If you've gone through everything above and your iPhone continues to stay in sleep mode, you could try the nuclear option to factory reset your phone. This wipes your device and returns everything to default, including the sleep mode setting. Before proceeding, back up your data and files in the cloud or in a computer. Then, here are the detailed steps. Open the Settings app. Find and tap General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap the Reset option. Now, select the option named Reset All Settings. When asked, enter your passcode. Tap Reset All Settings again to confirm. The process may take a while. After your iPhone boots up, Quickly set it up as new and your iPhone won't say it's in sleep mode. Repair the hardware. If all the steps above are to no avail, your best bet is to head to Apple support. The experts there will give you personalized and in-depth assistance to repair your iPhone that gets stuck on sleep focus and won't leave normally. You can contact Apple online, or get a Genius Bar reservation and visit the Apple retail stores to seek help for repairs. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on what to do when the iPhone is stuck in sleep mode. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.